Hey, it's Matt with McGee Farms and trying to get the garden set up for the year. It's still a little early on, but this year we're gonna mess around with some early season stuff that'll grow in cold. Lettuce, spinach. I've got carrots and garlic already starting to come up, and some onions as well. You can see my carrots here. You can see some of the garlic, some of the onions. I've got asparagus as well, but I've got some lettuce and some broccoli, and I think we're going to give that a shot, see how it goes. I've never done this before. And I've been researching it. It should go. We've got a little bit of a frost coming in tonight. It's supposed to get down to 26 tonight, 28 tomorrow night. We're kind of at the tail end of, when all the frost hits. So what I've done is I've gotten a couple different types of lettuce, some spinach, and some broccoli, and I'm going to go ahead and plant it. And we're going to see what it looks like in the morning and the next morning, because like I said, there's 2 nights of a frost, 26 one night, 28 the next, and then we're back above freezing after that. So we're going to plant this in the garden, and we're going to find out for ourselves what is frost tolerant. Okay, so what I've got in here, I've got a couple different varieties. First of all, coming down here, I've got broccoli. I went ahead, I planted one. There's 6 in a pack, so I figure let me plant one of each just to kind of see how they do. But the broccoli, it was, what was that? Lieutenant Broccoli. So I've got one of them planted. I've got Bonnie spinach here that I planted. We'll see how they do with the frost. I've got romaine, from what I'm reading. That's the one that I'm thinking is least likely to make it, so I only planted one. And then this over here, this is Butter Crunch lettuce, and that's supposed to take the cold temperatures, if you get a light freeze, pretty good. A lot of things from what I've been reading, that'll kind of go all winter. I've also got some carrots coming up, and a few others over on the other side of the garden. So we got a little of this planted. It's kind of an experiment. Hopefully everything's still going to be good in the morning time. We'll come back in the morning, take a look, see how things are faring, and then the same thing the next morning after we get 2 nights of some frost, and we'll see how everything's going. All right, it's the next morning. We got down to 25 degrees last night, and let's kind of take a look. It's a little chilly today. I think it's right at about freezing. And I know our broccoli looks all right. Spinach still a little frozen. Buttercrisp looks good. Even the romaine. The romaine's the one I was a little kind of worried about from what I'd read up. It looks like it held up, getting down to 25. It's supposed to get down to 28 again tonight, and only get up to maybe 39 degrees today. So we'll see what it does tomorrow. Maybe pick a little of it and try it and see. I think actually the romaine looks like maybe a little hunk of it. Tastes good. So tomorrow morning, let's see where we're at. All right, day number 2. We're going to come out and look and see how things fared. It didn't get quite as cold last night, which is it's kind of surprised me a little bit, because it seems like some of this, well, it seemed like maybe the broccoli didn't do so well, but now looking at it, I think it's just kind of down a little bit. I think it actually came through. Might wait till a little later today. We'll do another check just to be safe. Spinach. Yeah, spinach is good. Romaine's questionable. And the Buttercrisp Looks like a couple of the leaves might have got hit a little bit, not too bad, but like I said, it's a little strange because the night before everything came out great and it got down to like 25 degrees. Last night I think it only got down to about 29, 30 degrees. It just barely hit freezing. So we'll see. I guess I'm going to do a third check, one final check here when I get home from work today. It's supposed to be about 65 degrees today. So once the sun comes out, see if maybe it perks up with that a little bit. As long as it's good, we're going to go ahead and plant the rest of this stuff. You know, looking at some of the other stuff that I've got planted, you know, potatoes would be good. They're under dirt. I've had strawberries coming up in the strawberry patch, and I've got a bunch more that I was thinking about going ahead and planting. So seeing how these kind of came through, yeah, all my strawberry plants are good. So they definitely will, definitely going to be planting some strawberries today. That's kind of how we're looking at. We're going to do one last check here in a few hours once the temperature warms up, and make the final determination. It's Matt with McGee Farms. If you love gardening, if you enjoy the channel, please consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel, sharing it with your friends. Everything is always appreciated and it helps the channel grow. Till next time, have a great day.